So today we'll understand the process of evaporation and condensation. So these two processes are very important in the water cycle. So let's try to understand the evaporation first. Evaporation is when liquid state is changed into gaseous state. For example, boiling of water. When we boil the water, what happens is like liquid, the water get converted into the water vapor or steam, and then it transfer into the air. Likewise, during summer season, what happen is that the water from sea, lakes, rivers that get evaporated and it get converted to water vapor into the air. This happened because the temperature in the air is very high, and that is the reason the water get evaporated. Now, as we know, the in our atmosphere, the air is hot near the surface, and as we go up, the temperature decrease. So let's say if you go a few kilometer above the atmosphere, so the air is become cold. So now, like since the water vapors were in air, and as they keep on rising, since the temperature is becoming more cold and cold, these water vapor will now transfer from water vapor into liquid and then into solid. That means like, and these water vapors now they combine and they will create something like we know as clouds. So clouds are basically concentration of water vapors, and when the weight of the water vapor become too much, then the cloud will basically give us rainfall. So this process is called condensation. So condensation is when we get rain or water in the liquid format from the clouds, right? And that happen because like the temperature in the atmosphere in the clouds is very cold, and when it like come in the contact with the hot air near the earth's surface, it will give back the water vapor. The similar type of condensation we often see like when we put like ice in the glass simple glass cup or glass jar, and as we know like we keep seeing like this tiny like water drops, they start appearing on the surface of the glass jar. So that means the condensation is happening. Why? Because the surface of the glass jar is cold, and when it come in touch with the hot air, then it will this water will start forming in liquid shape in the on the surface of the glass jar. So this process is called the condensation.